Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, here in the last class we started our new lesson, that is the 3 days to see, which is written by Helen Keller. And in that last class we completed the first part of this lesson. In today's class we are going to learn a second part, what is our remaining part of this lesson. So what we learned in previous class, just recall it. So Helen Keller, she was blind and deaf from her birth, and then also she learned, she overcome that problem, and she learned and she became a good writer and all. So her experience she shared, and what she was thinking, if she have 3 days only sight, in those 3 days what she will do and what she wanted to do. So every human being have some problem in their adult life, yes, like sight or vision problem. Then only they can understand the whatever importance are there of our eyes, then hearing. So they will take care of it. Otherwise they will not understand what is important of eyes and sight in our life. So here yesterday what she did, she explained, she did experiment with her friend. She asked them, tell me your eyes color of your wife. So they not answered because they doesn't know about it. Because why? They not observe too much. Because their eyes are there, they have their sight, they have their vision, but they not observe. So Helen Keller, she is thinking, so such people, they are not giving more importance to their this eyes and sight, so organs. So what she wanted to do, she wanted only 3 days vision. So in first day what she wanted to do, first day she will meet those people who help her, and even she wanted to meet the friends, even she wanted to go to walk into the wood, and she want to just observe or just see the nature of the beauty. And even evening what she wanted to do, she wanted to see the sunset, okay, the scenery of that sun. So these all things she wanted to do in first day. And in second day what she wanted to do, see here on page number 10. So here, on my second day I should like to see the pageant of man's progress, and I should go to the museum. I should try to probe into the soul of man through his art. The things I knew through touch I should now see. The evening of my second day I should spend at a theatre or at the movie. So second day, okay, second day she wanted to meet, she wanted to go to see the pageant. Pageant means what here? Pageant means here exhibition, okay, which is showing a success of the event. Yes, here I will write pageant. So you can call as an exhibition. In exhibition what you can see? Yes, here different arts, then whatever new, different things are there, ancient things are there, they are collecting there and they are just keeping the exhibition. Yes, so she wanted to meet, or she wanted to go to the exhibition to see the man's progress, how this man is doing the progress, because before that she was blind, so she never observed those things. So she now wanted to go to the museum, and even I should try to probe into the soul of man through his art. Even she wanted to touch the soul of the man, okay, by his art. And even evening what she wanted to do, evening of the second day she wanted to spend her days into theatre or movies. She want to go for movie to watch that. Next, on the third day, see, the following morning I should again greet the dawn, anxious to discover the new delights, new revolutions of beauty. Today, the third day, I shall spend in the work day word amid the hunts of men going about the business of life. See, and third day what she wanted to do? Morning. Okay, she wanted to see again the delights, even dawn. You know na? Yes, sun. Morning sun. You can see the sun, even beauty of the sun, and even she wanted to see that this all revolution beauty. And even third day what she want to do? She want to spend the world with amid seer, the hunts. Amid hunts means what here? See, hunts means place commonly visited, where all will come and they are visiting. So commonly visited place are called as hunts. Hunts. Yes, place or places commonly visited. So she wanted to go those places. Usually all here people they are visiting. Then even she will go to the that place. Why? To see the man's business. Okay, what they are doing with their life. At midnight what she want to do? See, midnight she know that if she slept means this is the last night of her, and morning again she will lose her sight. So what she will do? See here. At midnight permanent night would close on me again. Only when darkness has again descended upon me should I realize how much I had left unseen. And in midnight she know that permanently her eyes will be closed. So in a whole night dark, and again darkness will come in her life. So in night she wanted to recall all those things whatever she enjoyed, and even she will think about that how many things are there I not observed, still are remaining. So these all things you have to just recall it. Then I am sure that if you face the fate of blindness, you would use your eyes as never before. Everything you saw would become dear to you. Your eyes would touch and embrace every object that came within your range of vision. Then at least you would really see, and a new world of beauty would open itself before you. And she is sure. Why? Because if human being got the blindness, yes, so what he will do? He will use his eyes. Okay, 3 days if he got the vision, and human being he just lost his eyes, then only he will just got that how much things he was missing, and he will use his eyes. He will never before use before that. I who am blind can give one hint to those who see. Use your eyes as if you tomorrow you would be stricken blind, and the same method can be applied to the other senses. Hear the music of voices, the songs of a bird, the mighty strains of an orchestra, as if you would be stricken deaf tomorrow. So she is telling that, yes, she is telling I am a blind, and I am giving you one suggestion, one hint. What? To those who are or who can see who can see now. But she is giving her them just you can see, you have a good vision, so use it properly. So if use like that, tomorrow you could not be see. Like that you have to use. You have to take advantage. You have to hear the music. Even you have to go for orchestras here. Strains of an orchestra means what here? A sequence of musical notes. Strains of an orchestra. So here sequence of music. A sequence of musical notes. So use your eyes, use your each and every organs, like before you never use it. And even touch each object as if you tomorrow you tackle the sense would fail. And see, touch each and every object. Yes, if tomorrow you will not able to see, like that means suppose only I have 3 days vision and I can't see tomorrow. Suppose like that, you have to touch each and every object, you have to take advantage, you have to feel the music, you have to see the nature of beauty by your eyes. So your organs, you have to use it properly. Here tackle sense means what? Here sense of touch. Tactile sense means here sense of touch. So you use your eyes before you never use. You use your ear before you never use. So like that you have to use it. And even smell the perfume of flowers, taste with relish each morsel, as if tomorrow you could never smell and taste again. So even you smell the perfume of flowers, even you just taste the relish. Relish means what? A deep sense of enjoyment. Write down here. Relish, a deep sense of enjoyment. So you just take it, and here one more word is there, morsel. Morsel means what here? A small piece of food. Small piece of food. So what you have to do? She is telling, see, you have now your eyes, you have a good vision. Use it properly. Yes, just see the beauty of the nature. You have ears, so just hear the music, orchestra. Even you have nose, so smell it, perfume the flowers. Yes, flowers. Even taste the relish, because you have the taste. So taste the relish means a different kind of food. Each and every food you have to taste it. Like that tomorrow you could never smell and never taste again. So make the most of every sense. But of all the senses, I am sure that sight must be the most delightful. Delightful means enjoyable. So she is telling these all organs are there. See, 5 organs are there. Yes or no? So, but she is thinking eyes are most delightful. Means why? Because see, sometimes you can't smell, but if you could see means you can understand this is a particular thing. But if you don't have the vision, how you can understand? No, you could not understand anything. So she is worrying about each and every human being, because human being, what they are doing, they have all the organs but they are not using it properly. Yes, so they are neglecting. So she is telling that use your each and every organ, like tomorrow you could not do such a thing. Yes, so Helen Keller, she was giving a suggestion to each and everybody that what? Just use your organs properly. Why? Because see, God given a very good gift to each and everybody. Yes, so enjoy it, take advantage, enjoy. Yes, so live a very happy life. So she is telling like that. So this is all about the 3 days to see. She was thinking on the first day what she want to do, second day and third day. So her experience shared with us. Hope you all understood this story. Related that question answers are there. Try to watch this video, try to read this lesson and try to solve the question answers. Okay, till thank you. Have a nice day.